The lock I'm going to pick today is a BiLock NG. Previously I picked this core, which has some master pins in it, which mitigated some of the extremes of the bitting. But this one has no mastering and some bitting that looks extremely challenging with these high pins behind these no lift pins. But what I found, surprisingly, is actually I'm able to pick this 99% with just this Southward Slimline hook, which is a shallow hook. So the bitting looks super extreme. I guess the bitting is super extreme, but it actually doesn't pose that much of a challenge. So, key works. Tension clockwise from the left side. Start on the right. And you have to visit each pin in this lock lots and lots of times. There's another click out of 4. That was another click out of 2. Again 4. Again 2. That was 1, but I don't think he's set. A little something on 6. Okay, 4. Doesn't want to go, so I'm going to leave him there. Again, pin 2 and 1. Kind of ping pong between 1 and 2 there. I felt the core move a tiny bit. Again, 4 doesn't want to go. Felt the core move a tiny bit more. Okay, just touched pin 6 and I felt the core rotate a bunch. So now, see if I can set that interactive pin. Doesn't feel like it's quite ready to set. So I'll start on the left side, pin 6. See if I can set that. Yeah, there we go. Now that interactive pin is set. That was 6. Being really careful not to hit those no lift pins. That 6 feels like it's binding but doesn't want to go. I guess I'll leave him there for now. 3. And 1 doesn't want to go. Just check this. Okay. Yeah, pin 6 feels like it's binding, but I can't set him, so maybe he'll go at some point. Little clicks out of 3 and 1. Sound like something dropped. pin 3. All right, got pin 6 set. Now I'm happy. Little click out of 3. Little click out of 1. Another little click out of 3. Click out of 1. Another little tiny click out of 3. Oh, touch pin 1, and it's open. All right, let me gut this. Turn on autofocus. My vise is stuck. And I'll lock it up and use the key to pull the core out. Pull off the spring retainer. Maybe. And get the springs out. Dump the right side first. There we go. That was 5. That's 1. These pins are so small, it's hard to uncover just one at a time. Okay, there's the right side. It's upside down. Still upside down. Okay, so here's the lock body. You can see the sidebar grooves in there, and you can also see there's the groove that works with that quick change feature. So there's a ball bearing that rides. Get closer. So there's the sidebar grooves, and there's the groove that this ball bearing rides in that enables a quick change core feature. Here's the core, and you can see the sidebar pins, and then I don't think I showed this last time. This is the interactive element here, this little brass rod. When it lifts up, it allows this sidebar to fully retract. So when you push up on this interactive pin, this rod lifts up and the sidebar can retract. And let me get a close up of these pins. You can see none of these are mastered. Each pin has a true gate and a false gate on both sides. There we go. So that's it. BiLock NG with no mastering this time.